This is a game-changing moment for Horizon and for the country. Ukraine right now is a ground floor opportunity, and Horizon is perfectly positioned to capitalize on it.
Now have, a relative economic advantage that is quite extraordinary in terms of currency and talented people and proximity to the European Union, etc.
In 5 years, we've leapt over India, Brazil, and Argentina. We've leapt up 76 points in the Doing Business Index, and we're above those countries, other emerging markets that people invest in.
Our thesis is simple. We invest in local companies with a local cost base, yet export-focused, with a global revenue footprint. This way you get the best of both worlds, the dynamism and cost advantage of an emerging market, but without the currency devaluation risk.
If we look at these last 5 years, what have we been investing in? We've been investing in export-oriented, we've been investing in IT tech, we've been investing in businesses that deliver over 35-45%. That's what we're focused on in the third fund.
Truly game-changing moment for Horizon was when in 2007, the chairman of our investment committee, Jeff Neal, decided to start internship program at Horizon. And since then, the firm has hired 23 interns from the top US business schools, Harvard, Stanford, Chicago, and others. And out of these 23 people, 3 people who were able to contribute the most into the business of our organization, and as a result, were promoted to the deal partners. And currently 3 of us, myself, Konstantin, and Vasil, are leading the deals within Horizon Capital.
Every deal that we've done since 2012, including the restructuring of Procari, have all worked extremely well. Some are going to be phenomenal. Our story will continue with that talent, and we're going to add to that talent. And so I think Fund 3 will have that same momentum, and we'll go well beyond that.
We invest in visionary entrepreneurs. Alexander Volynets, the founder of Annex Baby, a premium stroller manufacturer. Vladimir Margolitny, founder of Genesis Technologies, a top 100 global new media company. Borja Shakhnovich and Vadim Yasinovsky, the founders of PDF Filler, the cloud-based challenger to Adobe.
And what's really amazing for the potential investor into our fund is that we are keeping the cost unchanged up until final closing, which means that the new investor will benefit from this growth without having to pay a high price.
Our thesis is not something abstract. It has been tested and it works. In the last 5 deals of our Fund 2, sourced by our team, the gross IRR has been at over 40%. In the 3 deals we've done in our Fund 3, all of them have been underwritten at over 35% IRR.
The best way to bring our track record to life is showcase a few deals we have done in our latest fund.
Procari is a fascinating story. It was facing bankruptcy in 2014. The story of that turnaround is setting a bold, audacious goal for ourselves, and that is to completely reorienting our business by focusing on the Central Eastern European market. And the results speak for themselves. We quadrupled the EBITDA within 2 years. This is us IPOing the company in Bucharest. And we more than tripled the cash on cash for our investors on this deal.
The company called Rosetka, which is an Amazon of Ukraine, if you wish. It's the market leader in a very fast-growing sector of e-commerce. The company have been growing at a very fast growth rate of 40% per annum, and currently they are booking more than $300 million in annual revenues.
Biopharma is not just another generic producer in Ukraine. It's a global leader in plasma products, selling its drugs to as far as India and Vietnam. What's also unique about Biopharma is this is the first greenfield in Ukraine during the last 25 years. It was built with German engineering, Italian equipment, and absolutely greenfield.
Reputation for me is everything. You can build a reputation over 25 years, living, working in Ukraine, and then destroy it in 5 minutes. For us, corporate governance, quality, service, transparency, integrity, those are in our DNA.
We're building the long-term firm, and the values and reputation is what matters the most in this journey.
I think what makes Horizon different is this shared sense of purpose. Of course, we're focused on the returns. We're focused on making as much money as possible for our LPs. But underlying to that, there's this sense that we're doing something very important. important for our countries, important for the regions, important for the people who live here. And the sense that we're contributing to the growth of this region, to the improvement of these countries, is really what motivates me to go to work every day.
Lena has done an extraordinary job of pulling this together, and I think given us excellent leadership and an opportunity to have this good things going for quite a number of years to come.
Whether it's Horizon Capital, whether it's our portfolio companies, I have a very clear vision together with my partners at Horizon, together with entrepreneurs in their companies, and I see what needs to be done to get there. In good times, anyone can make money. When you're working against the kind of headwinds that we have faced, that really differentiates an excellent team from a mediocre team. Put us up against anyone else, and I believe we've got one of the best teams in this business.